Top 6 apps which a student must have in his phone. Number 1. Photomat. Helps solve math problems by simply scanning them with the phone's camera. It also provides step-by-step explanations. Number 2. Forest. Forest, an app that helps students stay focused and manage their time by encouraging them to put down their phones and concentrate on tasks. Number 3. Todoist or any.do. Todoist or any.do. These apps can help students manage their tasks, assignments, and projects with to-do lists, reminders, and due dates. Number 4. Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha, a computational knowledge engine that can help with solving complex math problems, providing explanations, and offering data on a variety of subjects. Number 5. MyScript Calculator. MyScript Calculator. This app turns handwritten equations into digital text and calculates them, which can be particularly useful for math and physics problems. Number 6. Pocket, a handy app for saving articles, videos, and web content to read or watch later. It's a great tool for gathering research material. Thanks for watching the video.